Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through making one of those explosion gift boxes. I'm going to make one for my son's birthday. That's next week. So let's go ahead and get started. So we have this box that we got, and then I have his favorite color is blue. So then we switched it to blue because they didn't have blue for this. And then this and this. We're going to do 3 boxes. And I guess I could always put a foil on here, cardstock. That's just really probably too much work. So we're not going to do that. I got the Crafter double-sided tape, and then they also had like the sticky dots. We're going to use that. And I have a craft tool that I'm going to use to cut the box, which you could probably use a knife. I would just be very careful, or a razor blade, and again, be super careful. We're gonna just cut here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it from the inside. So all I did was, let me make sure you can see it. I just am using this tool. Make sure your hand is not underneath there because you don't want to cut it. And then I'm just kind of going over just like this. And it probably took me just a few times. Yeah. Okay, so that just took me, I don't know, 4 swipes. And then we're going to turn it. Again, make sure that your hand is not underneath. And the reason we're doing it on the inside is I think it'll look a lot nicer. You won't see, you know how you get some of this? You won't see any of that. That was not hard at all. So you're going to end up with the box just like this. And we're going to go ahead and do the next one. We have this one done. That'll go right there. And last one. Okay, so the next step is I'm going to use Barely Art glue. And I like this because it really sticks really nicely. We're going to place glue just right here and then place this on top. We're just going to use a little bit. I'm just going to use a popsicle stick. Then we're going to go ahead and place this right on top and just apply a little pressure. And then we're going to do the exact same thing. Then we're going to go ahead and place this right here and just apply a little pressure. So we just want to make sure it's lined up so it can still go up just like that. So I'm going to try the dots first. If they're not strong enough, then I'm going to go ahead and use the double-sided tape. Start from the smallest to the biggest. I don't know about your kids, but my son, when we go anywhere, he's like, I never tried that. Can I try that? So I just got a bunch of different stuff that he's never tried before. I think it's a lot of fun just to open stuff. So let's go ahead and try this sticky side tape. So we're just going to place this just right there. And I'm going to take some gum. And this looks like this is just the perfect size. I'm going to put one right here as well. And wrap it up. And just kind of put it like in a little scroll. And let's go ahead and tie this. This tape, this sticky like glue dots I got from the Dollar Tree, they stick. So if you're thinking about that, they're actually perfect. Okay, so I'm just going to put that there and pull it off. And we're going to do just a little note just like that. And next we're going to do a little gift card. Just like that, and we need to put one down here to make it stick just like that, and we'll put another gum. Okay, so now we are going to get the lid, and we're just going to, you can also put something really cool right there. I don't know, maybe we'll come back and I'll find something to do. And we're gonna just push this up. And I guess you really shouldn't put gum there. Let's see, or we'll do it this way. Okay, so this is a learning curve. You should probably put the gum that way so it doesn't, you need it to be able to close. So we'll put it just like this, and this, and this. And then we're gonna take the lid and put the lid on. So now we're going to do the next one, and I got some big stuff, so I'm not sure how this is going to work. Like, this is super big. I don't know what I was thinking. So is this. I don't think anything else will fit. Let's see. I'm going to go ahead, I don't know. I got him like some pistachio nuts and I guess I was just thinking I was going to use this gigantic box. Okay, and we're going to go ahead. I put these there. They're popping rocks. And let's push this together just like this. And then we're going to put this top on. Perfect. Just like that. Okay, and then we have one more. We're going to put this right here. So we have this, and I just kind of folded them down, taped them, and let's hope that this works. All right, we got it on. It's a little overstuffed. This was my attempt. I think I did a little bit too much. We should have stuck with like those little mini candy bars and that kind of stuff. So basically, the whole thing is you will just open it. And it pops open and you get like the little stuff there. And then we pop open. And we pop open again. And there we go. So it's pretty cool. I'm going to go ahead and finish up. Maybe put something here. I'm not really sure yet. Guys, I had another box that was once bigger. So we're going to go ahead and place this in here. And see if we can get this to close. So we're just going to place this right on top. And I put double-sided tape down there. And then now let's see if we can get this big thing to close. So let's get the bigger lid and let's just hope this works. Sweet. Isn't that awesome? So you know what? That's so cool. So what I could do is I could fold this in so that doesn't stick out. So let's do that, you guys. So let's take regular tape. And we're going to just kind of fold this in just like this so that doesn't stick out. So what I'm doing is just folding this backwards. So let's go ahead, close, and put the lid on. Pretty cool. It worked. It's popping out, but it's still good. So anyways, guys, let me know what you think of the video below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.